LUMATEK is proud to combine excellence and versatility for your grow space with the brand new and exciting LUMATEK 100-watt full-spectrum individual supplemental light LED bar. With this versatile LUMATEK LED light and its wide variety of applications, you can now optimize your indoor plant growth as never before. It produces the exact same light quantity and light spectral quality as each LED bar from our latest Zeus Pro 2.9 range, but with the difference of being a totally independent fixture with its own 100-watt high-efficiency driver. You can either use it as an add-on for your grow space that may lack light intensity, or you can place it at the top, side or bottom, or just use it as propagator for your cuttings and seedlings. The LUMATEK 100-watt full-spectrum individual supplemental light LED bar comes with a 100-watt remote driver, providing a flexible and dynamic LED solution to improve your grow results. Producing a ppf of 295 umoles per second and a very high efficacy of up to 2.9 umoles per joules. The new LUMATEK LED line is built using high-quality LUMATEK drivers and latest generation top-bin LEDs from Lumileds and Osram, generating a full-spectrum light source ideal for veg and flowering cycles. Another new feature of this line is the clear glue protection cover technology on the LED bars, resulting in higher light transmittance of 99% without light loss, extended lifetime of diodes, extra corrosion resistance and high waterproof of IP65. This LUMATEK 100-watt individual light LED bar can also be externally controlled with the LUMATEK digital lighting controller, the Digital Panel Plus 2.0, featuring light timing, automated dimming, temperature safety control, sunrise and sunset mode for up to 100 fixtures per controller, as well any other universal controller of 0 to 10 volts. As always, for different cultivars, propagation and vegetative growth periods, this LED bar may be dimmed without losing efficiency. LUMATEK's high efficiency and low-powered configuration, with its outstanding passive cooling thermal management, reduces the temperature of the LEDs, increasing the output and improving light maintenance. Never stop innovating, never stop growing. LUMATEK, helping growers grow.